This lesson will quickly cover irregular French past participles. There are a few groups of past participles that end in T, starting off with wir verbs. And verbs. The past participles of ouvrir type verbs end in ERT. From the lessons on irregular preterite and irregular imperfect subjunctive conjugations, we know that there are irregular U past participle based verbs, starting off with être verbs. Clure verbs. The past participles for enclure and oclure actually end in US. The two stem present tense verbs savoir and valoir. Three stem present tense verbs the verbs tenir and venir. The impersonal verbs falloir and pleuvoir. And other verbs with irregular past participles ending in U. Next are querir verbs whose past participles end in IS. And other verbs which have their own types of irregular past participles. And that covers irregular French past participles. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not a French speaker. As I always say, I would very much appreciate it if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers. And that is all for now, so until next time.